So this morning I'm pulling wire along the bottom fence. Driven all the posts using the Hubway post knocker, which is over there, and I'll probably do a separate video on that one. So yeah, driven all the posts in, knocked them all in, and then on other videos I've seen people using two boards and then bolting through and then knacking down on the bolts. Get yourself either straps, or people use chains, or turfers use tractors, dumpers, vehicles, pickups, and then so I've used the 8-ton machine and then just pulled it back with a set of straps onto a shackle, and it works fine. I could only get wing nuts because they didn't have any M10 nuts in, so I've had to improvise a little bit with that, but you can knock them down just using an adjustable and a spanner on the back of them. It doesn't really matter how many fucking staples that you put in the post. She'll always want to pull back through. She'll always want to lose a little bit of tension. But you're always getting that, and then you can get it back up at the next post when you pull. Because this is a 100-meter roll, I've pulled at the middle 50 meters, and I'll staple it to this strainer, and then the next one's I think 44, so I'll have a bit up and around the corner, so I'll probably staple that there and then cut it and then put another roll on for the next great big stretch down the bottom end. How else? I think that's about. Oh yeah, at the next strainer, because I've tensioned this, it's obviously pulled the fence on the opposite side nice and tight. I guess as long as it looks tidy and it's not as loose as an MFI wardrobe, then you've got to be happy. So yeah, just need to staple this up now, and then I'll go down to the next one and pull another 50 meters.